Hello everyone, today I'm going to share with you my ML550 and I'm going to install the rain visor, or in other words we call it window visor. It's very easy, it's a simple DIY project. It brings the beauty of your SUV. Once we're going to install these window visors, there are two smaller ones and there are two big ones. The big ones will go in the front like this, and the smaller one will go on the back, on the rear. Each window visor comes with a 3M tape, it's a double-sided adhesive, and we just remove it and we're going to install it. And prior to installing, just one tip I wanted to share with you. I already have cleaned my ML550. You need to make sure that the area we're going to put it on is very clean. So once it's nicely and clean, we're going to install it, and let's get started. As I mentioned, I already cleaned it, but I just wanted to show you this is what you need to do. You make sure that there is no dirt or no residue at all. So as you can see, this is like putting on top, just showing how it's going to look. So now we're going to remove the tape. This is the tape, and once we remove it, now we're going to install it. So once it's aligned, we're going to put it down, and now with the thumb, we're going to press it. And the best way to do it, get the microfiber cloth and press it down. And this is only one time you need to do. You don't need to do anything after that. And for 24 hours, don't wash it. So once we put it on, just press it hard. You press it firmly. So once we remove the tape, we're going to put it on, and that's it. And then press it firmly. So this is how it's gonna look. Now we're going to remove the tape. Once you align it, then you press it nicely, and this is it. That's how it's easy to put on the window visor or rain guard on your ML550, and it's so easy, and it brings the outlook of my SUV. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.